What's going on, guys? Derek here from Bose VT. Happy to bring you another video. As you can see, I got the Bose noise cancellation headphones, the 700 model. This is the highest powerful, whatever headphones you want to call them, noise cancellation headphones that Bose sells. These would compete with like the XM5s that Sony sells. And basically, technically, it's only competitor per se, unless you want to throw like the Apple Max headphones in there. But honestly, I think those are in a completely different category because those are just outrageously expensive at $500. I believe these are $350. The Sonys are $400. But basically, I just want to unbox this for you guys. If you haven't seen already, I should have the Sony headphones up on my channel for you guys to review, or for you guys to watch the unboxing of that. So hopefully you guys go watch this and you can watch this and see the subtle differences. I'll eventually be doing a comparison to let you know which one works, which one sucks, and why I think so. So opening up the box here, nice little cover case, which is nice. Comes with the case right here, then obviously your directions, and then there's nothing else inside of there. So with this case, obviously it's kind of hard plastic. The Sony one that I unboxed earlier feels kind of the same way. I feel like that one's a lot more rigid than this one is. But opening up here, it only opens up one way, just with one zipper. It just pops open like this. You got your headphones right here. I'll place these off to the side real quick so we can see what else is inside here. Looks like some piece of plastic thing that we probably don't need. It gives you some information on how to do volume, pay and pause, answer calls, stuff like that. And this is probably on the right side of the headphone. Then in here, this should open up. You have your 3.5 headphone jack here on both sides. That'll be nice if you ever have to plug them into your computer or anything crazy like that. Then you have your USB-A to USB Type-C cable right here. So you got your two things if you need them. If not, they can just sit nice and comfortable within this little pocket it gives you. But for the main thing everyone's here for are the headphones. So I can tell you, when I had the Sony ones, these feel a lot heavier, which they are heavier, slightly heavier. I think it's by like 0.05 or something like that heavier, but not by much. But starting here at the very top, it is like soft touch material right here. It's decently hard. I can't really push down on it. Right underneath it, where your head would be, it looks like you got some type of I wouldn't call it memory foam, but rubber that basically just pops back to where it should be, which is kind of nice. That comes all the way down here to the very bottom. Nothing crazy on the outside here. This feels like some type of maybe some type of aluminum. It's not metal because the metal would be too heavy, but something like that runs all the way down here to the ends. Then you have your ear cups here, which rotate in. Then they only rotate so far out. So that's as far as they go right there. All the way in to lay them down. All the way out. The Sonys work the same way, so you don't have the folding up anymore, kind of like the Beats. So I do have the left, and then in the right, touching the ear cups. Still soft touch, basically as soft as the Sonys. I know I keep mentioning the Sonys, but it's what I have to compare it to as of right now. But touching both of them, pretty nice feel of the touch. In the middle here, there's some cushion-ish, but you can feel like where the actual speaker is, the drivers that are in there. You can kind of feel them. Like on this one, for example, this one's kind of intruding out, which is kind of weird, so I wonder how that feels in your ear. But anyways, pretty soft. Obviously, a lot of people care about how long they can keep these on your head. Now, weight-wise, they feel heavy, but hopefully when you get them on your head, they don't feel as heavy. You do have some adjustment, if you guys can see that. That's all the way out. That's all the way in. So you do have some adjustment there. You have your power button, Bluetooth. I believe this is probably some type of noise cancellation. I'll let you know. I'll put somewhere on here what this is. And then down here you have your USB plug. Same type of button on this side. So I'm assuming it's some type of noise cancellation feature maybe. I don't really know. I don't really know too much about these headphones. All I know is they're super expensive and they're supposed to work really, really well. So I'll let you know what these two buttons do. Then on the back side here, nothing else. For your noise cancellation, these are like those speakers to block out those noises. Then that is about it. Oh, this is your this is your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there, if you guys can see that.